Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and in today's video we are decluttering and reorganizing, cleaning my basement. Super bad. It's garbage. Watch this. It's all garbage. As much as I would have loved to save the shelf, unfortunately, because the fall brings a lot of rodents into the area, which I know it sounds disgusting, and believe me, it is, this shelf, they have to go straight to the garbage. And this is the main reason why it's so important for me this weekend to clear out the basement, because as the weather gets colder, unfortunately, we get to have a lot of unwanted visitors, if you know what I mean. The way I'm decluttering this basement and organizing it today is making one pile that I can possibly sell in a yard sale or Facebook Marketplace. One of the items that I use basically every week to cook, and one that I am going to give away for free, which is always my first step. I like to put things on the curb first for my passing neighbors, and whatever they don't take, I usually pack up and go drop off at Unique, which is a thrift store that helps and contributes for leukemia. Or my neighbor also told me about the Lupus Foundation, which you can actually pack up boxes and they come and pick it up at your front step. I took out that rug and I'm gonna put it outside, and as I'm sorting out things that I'm gonna put for free, things that I could sell in the Facebook market, and that's the method that I'm using right now. As I started in that corner and I'm kind of going counterclockwise and trying to do as much as I can. It looks like a mess, it always does. The beginning, it's always messy, and mentally it could take a lot, because a lot of these things I used to use for big gatherings, and right now we're in a season in our life where the kids don't want big gatherings. So I had to get rid of a lot of stuff. What I have is, I have this rope. It's an exercise rope. I have containers to carry the food. I wanted to get rid of them, but then I'm thinking, how am I gonna carry the food? I have some paint. Hello, Cocoa. You're inspecting the area. Here's where I've been keeping my rugs. I have baskets, and I always need baskets for something. So some hooks. These are games that I use in the classroom or at home. That's the Valentine's decoration, the pump. Candles, I know for sure I have candles there. So I am sorting this out. I'm gonna take a lot to the garage. Oh, and these are my seeds. I like to grow things, and in there's a grow and learn seed pads. Basically everything in here is gonna go to the garage, and I'm gonna get rid of all this except the frying oil and the cleaning vinegar, and that's what I'm going to be doing, just carrying things to the garage. obviously we don't need them. So they're all gonna go in the garbage. I am always amazed at how much stuff we accumulate in our homes. Tell me, do you have a lot of stuff, and do you feel that it has a direct correlation of your childhood upbringing? And have you ever thought that you hoarding and accumulating things, it's your unique coping mechanism? Leave me a comment down below. Garbage. And that's our garbage right here. And that's how it looks. That's our turkey machine. That's turkey. And that's the oil. And have the dehydrator, the ice cream machine, the pads. And then if you're wondering what I have here, this is like this. And I have stuff in there. And my seasonings, all my seasonings. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for visiting my home today. I am very grateful that you decided to invest your valuable time here with me, cleaning and organizing. I hope that you got some motivation, some encouragement to go and tackle an area of your home. And remember, wherever you are right now in the world, you are valuable and you are wonderfully made. I upload every Sunday and I'm looking forward to spend time with you next week. See you then.